My name is Elumba Lizzie Eweni from the Faculty of Law and Political Science, Department of Public Administration. I am here to talk on disaster management from Group 14. What is disaster to begin with? Disaster is any human or natural environmental occurrence that has controversial consequence on human beings. It is usually caused by two factors, that is the pull and the push. The push factors could be road accident, while the pull factors are those factors that are influenced by natural happenings like flood, earthquake, and...
My name is Senzetangmo Orian from the Department of Public Administration. I'll be talking on mitigation. Mitigation prevents future emergency or minimize their effects. Below are the activities of mitigation. Buying flood and fire insurance for our homes are mitigation activities.
My name is Tashi Blessing. I'm from the Department of Public Administration. I'm here to talk on pre-preparedness. Pre-preparedness on an emergency. Pre-preparedness requires plans or preparation made to save lives and to help respond and rescue operation. Again, pre-preparedness requires evacuation plans, and stocking food and water are both examples of pre-preparedness. Again, pre-preparedness activities takes place before an emergency occurs. Thank you.
My name is Etong Ashley Emily from the Faculty of Law and Political Science, Department of Public Administration. I'm here to talk on one of the phases of emergency management, which is response. Response are actions which take place after a disaster. Responding safely to an emergency includes actions taken to save life and prevent future property damage in an emergency situations.
My name is Ngwaneneli Imanga. So I'm here to talk on response. Response are the activities that take place to mitigate disaster management. So some of the activities are seeking shelter in tournament or turning off gas valves during earthquake. They are both responsive activities. Secondly, responsive activities take place during an emergency.
My name is Tansu Calibrite Busse. I'm a student from the Department of Public Administration. I'm here to talk on the last phase of emergency management, which is recovery. Recovery from an emergency includes actions taken to return to a normal or an even safer situation following an emergency. Recovery also includes getting financial assistance to help pay for repairs. And lastly, recovery activities take place after an emergency. Thank you.
My name is Ngome Wilibingazi. I'm from the Department of Public Administration. I'm here to talk about one of the disaster management cycle. I'll talk about before disaster. So the activities taken here to reduce human and property losses by potential hazards, such as carrying out awareness campaign, strengthening weak existing structure.
My name is Ekweon Jeresia Wani under the Department of Public Administration, and I'll be talking on after a disaster or post-disaster. Initiatives taken after a disaster would help the affected community to recover and rehabilitate quickly. That's all.
My name is Songpa Domo Selena. I'm a student of the Department of Public Administration. I'm here to talk of one of the cycle of disaster management cycle, which is during a disaster. Here, initiatives are taken to ensure that the needs and provision of victims are met and suffering minimized.
My name is Achale Mades Pesibel. I'm a student of Public Administration. I'll be talking on the process of disaster management, which goes on geographical locations. One of it is that certain parts of the earth are tectonically more active than others, e.g. the Cameroon volcanical line. Another point is that they are more likely to be subjected to natural disasters such as earthquake and volcanical eruptions.
I'm Pong Kalamin Sinzianzele. I'm to talk of the point of geographical location. On the other hand, water related to hazards such as flood likely impact. My name is Zarine Shino Ademi from the Department of Public Administration. I'm here to talk on one of the causes of disaster management, which is climate change. Climate change, there is a growing evidence of changes in the different components of the environment, which are atmosphere, hydrosphere, and biosphere, due to build-up greenhouse gases created by human activities. Greenhouse gases are said to contribute to climate change, leading to increase in intensity and frequency of disasters.
Okay, I'm Esambe Clinton, and I'm here to talk about environmental degradation. What's environmental degradation? It's the unlawful pollution of the environment. First, we want to start by saying that these industrial wastes that are brought out from industries help to disrupt the ecosystem, hence it's not good for the environment. Thank you.
My name is Atabe Anabe Ebude. To continue under the points of environmental degradation, as my colleague earlier said, we can see that the connection between environmental degradation and occurrence can quite be significant. Again, in the part of land degradation, deforestation and soil erosion can cause disaster to occur frequently or intensity. Thank you.
My name is Akotabe Albert. I'm from the Faculty of Laws and Political Science, Department of Public Administration. I'm to talk about population explosion and rural urbanization migration. The escalating population, much of the Third World War is instrumental in increasing vulnerability and hence disaster.
My name is Atemken Thelma, and I'm a student of public administration, and I'm to talk on rapid urbanization. Rapid population and migrations are related to rapid urbanization. Many civilians return to leave the rural area to the urban area in search of security and other social amenities, which could secure their lives and secure a better future for them. Thank you.
My name is Ndengwe Blanzi Mesame. I'm from the Department of Public Administration. I'm here to talk, following from what the last speaker said about rapid urbanization. The massive number of urban people increasingly find fewer options for the availability of safe and desirable places to build their houses. Here again, competition for scarce resources, which is an inevitable cause of rapid urbanization, can lead to man-made disasters. Thank you.
I'm called Epeshina Mbole. I'm under the Department of Public Administration. I'm here to talk about another cause of disaster, which is lack of awareness and information. People may not be aware on safe evacuation routes or procedures. Others may be unaware of where to turn for assistance in times of acute distress.
My name is Etime Sumbe Aje Clarice, and I'm here to talk on lack of awareness. The importance of awareness and access to information concerning disaster warning is overemphasized.
I'm called Zara Tudila from the Department of Public Administration. I'm here to continue on the point climatic changes, precisely on global warming. Global warming is responsible for rising sea levels, and hence it can lead to increase in coastal floods. It can lead to coastal floods and subsequently leading to submerging of some small islands.
My names are Eden Tege Joycelyn. I'm here to talk on war and civil strife. Firstly, lack of democracy and violation of human rights are interrelated factors. Secondly, many people travel to different countries in search of good democracy due to the fact that their rights are being insulted in their own country.
My name is Bomi Jomi. I'm under the Department of Public Administration. I'm here to talk on poverty and unequal distribution of wealth. People who lack education usually lack economic power to cope with disaster.
I'm called Helen Manyi-Bissau. I'm here to talk on poverty and unequal distribution of wealth. The gap in wealth between the rich and the poor is rapidly increasing
in the society, in almost all the parts in the world.
My name is Bokwe Doris Wase. I'm from the Department of Public Administration. I'll be talking on war and civil strife. First, I'll start by the war and civil conflict that arises at disaster that often causes the displacement of the population. It also leads to a refugee disaster, and that is to say the people who are aggressive will go in for combat. Thank you.
I'm called Etaniel in Chelsea, and I'm from the Department of English Law, and I'm to talk on the advantages of disaster management. First of all, we have the technology in disaster management. Technology plays a crucial role in disaster management. For example, the use of drones, GPS, and satellite imagery can help emergency responders identify affected areas and assess the extent of damage.